Hello everybody, I'm back again. Just wanted to come real quick and show this little craft that I've been playing with. I purchased, oh, I didn't bring the sheets with me. I purchased some images from KristieArtDesign, and they're very small little squares of images. Here's one of them with the Eiffel Tower. I think they're used for ATCs, I think they're called. I'm not sure, but it's just a page full of a bunch of them, different images. So I purchased 3 sets from her, and I've been having fun making paper clips and like these little glassine bags. They're 2 inches by 4 inches, and look how cute. I just backed them on some a book page, sewed around it, and added some of this fabric and just glued it. And how cute is that? And on the inside, I was gonna add a tag, but I ended up I have a lot of these that I cut coffee dyed. This is from my checkbook. It has lines. It's perfect for journaling. So I went ahead and added this to all my little pockets. So these will look really cute on a journal, which I put one already in one of my books I'm working with, but I left it at I've been working in the living room today, and yeah, it's way over there. But I just wanted to come in and share, guys. Look how cute are those. So I made, this is from the same, no, this is not from the same set. The Eiffel Tower is one set. This one is another set. I think it's like, it has like steampunk ears and, you know, hot air balloon, and it has images. Then I got a floral one. This one also came from that gear one. Would have been nice if I would have checked out the name, huh? And then this one is from that floral one. It's just all flowers. So I purchased both of them, and I've been making these little baggies. So I wanted to come in and share, which I did these different images, but they're all pretty much created the same. And then I went ahead and created some this way, which these don't have anything inside of them. But on this one, I used a glassine bag that I had. It was a large glassine bag that I had coffee dyed, and it was yellow. I think it was yellow. So I used that, backed it with some coffee dyed paper, and then the image, I put it on a book page, and then just sewed around it, and I think it looks so cute. And then just added some trim on the top and bottom. How cute is that, guys? I think it looks so cute, so vintage. So these will look so cute on your journals. So I made 4 or 5 of them. I think I made 5 of them. Here's another one. And then this one's like a little house. I hope you guys could see them. But I love the way they came out. I showed them on Instagram and Facebook, and a lot of people liked them. I think they're so cute. And like I said, those images came from KristieArtDesign. I will try to link her store in case you guys are interested. This is a little angel. How cute is that? Look at that. Oh my goodness. So yes, I've been having fun since yesterday doing this stuff. Well, these were all created today. Then I wanted to make some more paper clips. Like I said, these are different than the ones that I used on the book. These are just little collage of paper and fabric. And this one is, I guess, like a floral one. I would say this would look cute in a nature journal, a vintage nature journal. And like I said, a little paper clip in the back. So cute, guys. Look at this one. This is one of the roses. Which what I should have done is created like a little tutorial so we can craft this together. But like I said, I'm in the living room. Now everybody's playing the game in the TV in the living room, so it's too noisy over there. Look at that one. Those guys are getting it on, aren't they? No, I'm just kidding. It's cute. Look at that. Oh. Anyways, look at this one. Just different kinds of fibers that I used, and then just used fabric to cover the paper clip. And this one I put a Actually, I think I did it on all of them. I put a piece of cardstock on the bottom. I was planning on leaving it as is because I figured you can use these on a like a little pocket to collage a pocket or decorate a pocket, I guess what I'm trying to say, or just, you know, clip them on a little corner tucks on your journals. But I ended up putting paper clip. So I think these are so cute. So I just wanted to come in and share that this is a perfect way to use up all your little scraps. All these fibers that I have here, they're all little pieces that I just had lying, well, actually in a little box. I just throw them in there and I'm just collecting them. See, this one has burlap, just different kinds of fabrics and trims, and they look so cute. I mean, you could take them a step further and add some flowers, maybe some bling or some a little pearl trim. Like, you could do more to them. But I just like the way they came out like that. I think they're so cute, and I'm going to keep making some and see what other style I make. Like these, you know, these are collage and paper. These have fabric. I had so much fun, guys. So I just wanted to come in and share real quick what I've been doing. And like I said, all these images came from KristieArtDesign. I will leave her link below if you guys are interested in doing what I'm doing. Just pull out all your scraps, all your little bits and pieces, and collage away. They're so cute. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by and taking a look at my channel. And I hope I inspire you to do something like this, because this is so cute, so fun, and they're gonna look great on journals. Anyways, thank you so much. You guys have an amazing rest of the day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care now. See you soon. Bye.